Hi there, I'm Jonathan Graham. I'm the Managing Director here at Inward Revenue Consulting, and I've got a really interesting role to talk to you about today. It is with a client of ours. They are based in Leeds. They're a software vendor in the business analytics space. So I think the first thing to think about is this is an opportunity. Might be, for example, perhaps that you're working in distribution or working in another type of organization. This is a really great opportunity to get into working for a software vendor in the analytics space, which is, if you do the Gartner reports on potential growth in that market space and do some basic Google research, it will tell you that irrespective of what the economic climate is going to be, the growth in the business analytics and data analytics space is going to be monumental in the next 5 years. They are a rapid growth, very successful company, playing in what I would refer to as a very smartly chosen niche in that sector. Providing a technology that enables other technology vendors to provide analytics. They have a superb client portfolio of very happy customers. And I met with the client recently. One of the things I did notice and that really came across was a really lovely, warm, collegiate, very professional organisational culture. I thought it was the impression I got when I got in my car after the meeting was, what a nice looking place to work. So they've got a couple of different roles. One is account management and one is new business. On account management, you're going to be working with marketing to target and attract software vendors to embed their analytical tool into their technology. It's important to note it's not 100% cold new business in the purest sense. They are looking for somebody who is going to self-generate some opportunity and is going to be clever enough to get on LinkedIn, connect to the right people, get on the phone, talk to people and so on. It's a demo, drive and close from initial web dem stage through to final face-to-face negotiations and meetings. And the orders can get pretty big, up to 150k plus. Account management is a pure account management role working with the existing client base. What kind of people are they looking for? Well, energetic, people who are good in very active, high activity environments. It's a very busy environment, this. I think it's going to be very important to the client to find a good cultural fit here. And it's going to sound silly, this, but you need to be quite a nice person. Everybody I met, from the person who greeted me at the door at the office and came and opened the door, seemed really nice, very professional, very warm, very clear. And I think this will be a bad fit if you are a lone wolf hunter, for example. In fact, I know of one instance where a lone wolf hunter went to work there and didn't work out. This is a very pleasant working environment full of pleasant, decent people who are up for life, but nonetheless nice people. If you're not, don't apply. You need to be a good commercial thinker because you're working with other software vendors and embedding the software into their own technology. There's going to be some commercial thinking needing to be done in terms of how the deals are getting done. On the new business side, you will need a hunter mentality and you will need to prove that you are keen to win and drive deals and that you're capable of self-generating and thinking laterally in order to find some opportunity. And ideally, if you've got some channel sales experience, great. If not, it's not the be-all and end-all. Package on account management, they're paying between 40 and 47k base and an OTE of 60. New business, anywhere between 40 and 55k base and an uncapped double OTE. If you're interested, you will be watching this video now in a landing page that we've created. And in the landing page, it will have been brought to you via a bot. I think the bot's called Angus. Talk to Angus. Please apply using the bot. If you're interested, click the yes button and Angus will start asking you some questions. At some point, you'll be asked to upload your CV and a number of other questions. And then from there, we will look at every single application carefully. If that goes well, we'll come back to you and we'll organise the next stage of the process. But please understand it's essential that you apply via the bot using Angus, as you can see it right now. That way it allows us to know where we're getting the best responses from to our marketing efforts rather than perhaps getting them in via phone calls or emails. So please use the bot accordingly, and please note we can't guarantee that we'll read every application we get via email, but we can through the bot. It gives us much more control. Use the bot. Thanks very much for listening. See you. Bye-bye.